governor is the constitution head of the state. He is represent the supreme commander, that is President of India. Even if he cannot travel from airport to Raj Bhavan, distance maximum 7 kilometers, he cannot travel. And he picked up by helicopter, landed Kangla and rushed to the Raj Bhavan. It is a shame.
People of Manipur.
No, it is, it may be your calculation. According to our calculation, it is a total failure of the government of India, particularly Home Ministry. Because the governor, governor is the constitution head of the state. He is represent the supreme commander, that is President of India. Even if he cannot travel from airport to Raj Bhavan, distance maximum 7 kilometers, he cannot travel. And he picked up by helicopter, landed Kangla and rushed to the Raj Bhavan. It is a shame. It is a shame. And also it is a total failure of the government of India. Because government of India, under Home Ministry, this is directly ruled presently.
Other thing is, recently, many BJP MLA tried to form the government. However, they have not been able to form the government so far. What may be the main reason behind that?
That is, please ask to the BJP MLAs, particularly BJP MLAs, please ask to, that is not related to our party. We never met them and there is no any communication with BJP.
Sir, for the last few days, the valley has witnessed a lot of visitation towards Delhi, demanding the resignations of the officials and the tender policy from the governor. So, what is the stand of the Congress?
Now, as I have already explained, who is ordered this Manipur level from the Manipur state transport vehicle. Manipur should be irradiated, Manipur should be covered. Those who are competent authority who order to the Maha regiment should be publicly came out. Either it may be governor or security advisor or at the most DGP, they should have to be come out. Who order that should be apologized to the people of Manipur.
So do you really think that the formation of a popular government should be made by the CSO or the elected members? Because the question has been pointed finger.
No. That is, that should not be used, that word. CSO, with all due regard, they are not elected body. Constitutionally elected body. Constitutionally duly elected is MLAs. Only MLAs can form the government.
The unification of as such of one of the MLA has claimed that the CSO should be first united so as to.
That is not appropriate to use that type of word. Thank you.
So right now BJP MLAs are unable to form popular government despite the presence of majority numbers. So how will you deal with that?
No, this is their weakness. This is irresponsible for them. Because center also their government and their government is there. But here also governor is the competent authority. They can line there, at least majority of them, they should have to be unitedly stand here and claim the governor. Governor, how can he deny? Of course, internally he may be try to obtain approval of the center. But at least the BJP, those who are here in Manipur, I think they are, along with their like-minded party who are supported them, as I have already mentioned in our local dialogue, that is around 45. May not be 45, at least 35 to 40, they can fall into the Raj Bhavan, but they cannot as of today. This is shameless.
Sir, right now general public is conducting various kind of protests against the disrespect of the identity of the state. So, what is the stand of the Congress right now?
No, Congress regarding not only this recognition, about territorial integrity. People of Manipur thought that if within the Manipur cannot be used. If they say like that, where is our integrity? Question of integrity arises. Whether our integrity has been broken by the present the government, that is present rule. This question has arises. That's why public uprising without any organization is coming out. This is not a new phenomenon in Manipur. Question of this territorial integrity, Congress never compromise.
Public has been raising the voices to the governor to tender his apology on the conduct of as such. How do you react as that, because governor has...
No, I have already mentioned whether governor or whether security advisor or not below the rank of either chief secretary or DGP, they should have to be come out openly to the public. That unfortunate incident at Guantabi, that is extremely sorry. We apologize to the people of Manipur. If they openly come out and apologize, then people of Manipur maybe reconsider.
Okay, thank you.